Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn A, B, C and 1, 2, 3. So first let's learn some colors name. Orange color, pink color, purple color, red color, brown color, green color, black color, navy blue color and pink color. So let's get started. This is pink color. Pink color A. पिंक कलर. कौन सा कलर ये बच्चों? पिंक कलर. पिंक कलर A. This is green color. Green color B. Green color B. Green color. This is navy blue color. Navy blue color C. Navy blue color. कौन सा कलर है बच्चों? Navy blue color. Navy blue color C. Now let's move to 1, 2, 3. This is red color. Red color 1. Red color. Now pink color. Light pink color 2. दो को कलर करेंगे हम पिंक कलर से. 2 पिंक कलर. Number 3. This is orange color. Orange color से ट्रेस करेंगे हम नंबर 3 को. नंबर 3 orange color. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Red color A. A for apple. Blue color B. B for bat. Green color C. C for cat. Dark blue color D. D for drum. Dark green color E. E for elephant. Pink color F. F for fish. F for fish. Brown color G. G for grapes. G for grapes. Yellow color H. H for hen. H for hen. Red color I. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. Let's revise. A. Red color A. A for apple. Blue color B. B for ball. Green color C. C for cat. Dark blue color D. D for drum. Grass green color E. E for elephant. Pink color F. F for fish. Brown color G. G for grapes. Yellow color H. H for horse. H for horse. Red color I. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. Very good, guys. We have completed from A to I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. We will trace today from 1 to 10. So, get your pen and paper ready. Pink color, green color, dark green color, orange color, blue color, yellow color, parrot green color, violet color and navy blue color. So, let's get started. Red color 1. Green color 2. Violet color 3. Yellow color 4. Blue color 5. Again we will trace 1 with red color. Now move to 2 green color. Now it's time for number 3. Number 3 we will trace with violet color. Number 4 with yellow color. Now number 5 blue color. Very good. You have completed from 1 to 5. Now let's move to number 6. Number 6 red color. Now number 7. Number 8 violet color. Yellow color. Number 9. Now I am going to trace number 10 with blue color. Let's revise from number 6 to 10 again. Number 6 red color. Number 7 green color. Now number 8 violet color. Now I will draw number 9 with yellow color. Now it's time for number 10 and we will trace number 10 with blue color. Very good, very good. We have completed from 6 to 10. Now we have completed from 1 to 10. Very good, guys. Keep it up. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.